Ford Mustang 2019. This is what it sounds like before. It's a V6. V6, right? This is before we do a muffler delete on it. Go ahead. As you guys can see, sound decibels 98. Let you guys hear it after. We showed you guys before what it sounds like. 16 Mustang V6. So this is after. We got two converters, stock, factory resonator in the middle, then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. We did a rear muffler delete there and there into 4-inch rolled tips out the back on this side and this side. There's the 2 stock mufflers we cut off. There it is, what it looks like after. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Still has the resonator on it. Much better. Oh, yeah. Sound decibels? 113, bro. Again? Go ahead and back out. That sounds good, man. You see the tips, how they make a huge difference in sound.
Yeah. I hear it.
It's quiet when it sits stuck because of that resonator.
Yeah, I hear it.
And it's a 6-speed manual. Ford Mustang. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang. Again. Ford Mustang. Have a good one, man. Enjoy it. Hey, make it go sideways.
So I can't not
Come on, man.
I just got the car.
I don't care. What's the point of it if you're not going to make it go sideways? '17 Ford Mustang V6. You know, guys, my favorite color, blue. Really beautiful car. Got factory converters there and there. Then it wise into, not wise, I'm sorry. Then it had a resonator on it over there. Right there. We cut off and now it's true dualed with an X pipe. There's the X pipe. There's 2 1/4 pipe and it's continued 2 1/4 all the way back. And somebody else did a muffler delete a while back. I don't know who, but we'll show it to you guys. So it's basically straight pipe, true dual with an X pipe. There it is. Tell us what you guys think. There's the X pipe setup. Ford Mustang V6 true dual. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like it. Again. Woo! Man, that's loud. It's like earwax shaking. Woo! Again. There you go. 119. That's crazy. There's the mid resonator we deleted. Dual in, dual out. So now it's true dual with an X pipe. You always want to put an X pipe when you can, unless you want it obnoxiously loud, because the X pipe equalizes the back pressure and takes a little bit of the rasp away, as you guys can hear. Really beautiful Mustang. V6. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang 2017. True dual straight pipe. Tell us what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. So we got this 2016 Mustang back in. We did it about 2 weeks ago. We did a rear muffler delete and put 4-inch tips. And it wasn't loud enough. So he came back. And guess what we did? True dualed it. Why not? So there was a resonator there. That's it right there. Right. You see my finger? Right there. And we put pipes right there. Instead of the resonator. Right there. 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 So now it's true dual. There's stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual all the way to the back. To some 4-inch tips there. And there by 18s, rolled edge. Because it looks sexy and we give them a little bit of style. Out the sides more. Then straight out the back. Because, you know, why not? Right, Tim? Yeah. See? That's how you do a resonator delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the old resonator. Much better. Woo! 119, bro. Again? 122. Wow. Go ahead and back it up.
Sounds even better.
Yeah. Hell yeah. If you do want to tame it, bring it back. We'll put an X pipe. But I think you'll enjoy it like that. That's loud.
This shit right
Hell yeah. And it's a 6-speed, right?
here. Yeah, 6 feet.
Ooh, baby. Standard. That's why you see the exhaust shake. Shaking, baby. Shaking, baby. Hell yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang V6. Loud as loud can get. There you go, rev it. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Come get you some. Don't disappoint. Hell yeah, beast mode. It's so loud. You guys can still hear it. That's awesome.